Hey guys, Beth here. So I am not prepared for this video, but I'm still gonna film it because tomorrow I'm doing a collaboration video with some friends here on YouTube. So I need to get this done and up today. This is the Day of the Dead project pan. This was created by Jen from Project Beauty and Kim from Teacher Loves Beauty. So this runs from November 2nd to November 1st, 2023. So 2022, no. 2020, yeah, 2023, 2022 to 2023. Okay, the first item I don't even have here, so let me go grab it. Okay, this first item, you guys, is a fail because I picked 1A and the prompt was a purple item, an item with purple packaging or purple in the color or name. I had chosen this ColourPop in Visuals eyeliner, and I wore it 2 times this week. I wore it once under my eye, and I woke up the next day with a little white like pimple on my waterline, and that's never happened. I think it kind of like clogged up one of those little parts right here. One of the little, I don't know what it is, the glands. And then I put it a couple days later, and I didn't realize it was from this. I put it on my eyelid, and then I took my makeup off, and my eyes were like red, like right where I lined it on my lash line. So I am having reactions to this purple pencil. I think it's something with the purple, the coloring. I'm not sure because I've never had problems with ColourPop eyeliners before. So I'm rolling this out. I'm gonna see if there's a way I could use it. If not, I'm just gonna declutter it. I do want to do a declutter soon, so that might be in there. So for purple, I have to roll something else in, you guys, and I did not pick out anything, like pre-pick out anything, but I do have, and it's right in front of me, this palette here. And I thought, why not just do a goal, like a usage goal on this, and I'm gonna say 5 times. I did have it in my Panner's pan for Danny here on YouTube, and yeah, so I'll just get some more use out of it. And this is the palette. It's from Glamlite. It's a beautiful palette. I have 2 other ones similar to this one. This is the one in mildly sweet chocolate palette. It's a mildly sweet chocolate palette. So I'm gonna put this in and try to use it 5 times, and I'll roll it out once I do. For 1B, the prompt is pain, suffering, grief, and mourning, an item that gives you grief. So for that item, I chose the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. So this is like, well, I want to say newer, but it's not. It's been out for a while. I am right here, so I've made some progress. I'm so happy. I'm gonna mark it right now before I forget, but yeah, it was when I pull it, and I think there's like a lot. It's like really like down in here, because when I pull my wand out, you can see like there's really not a whole lot, and there's just a little bit like on the side that needs to come down. If you can see that, see all that. Like it goes to right here, but then there's still stuff up here on the side and around on top because I pulled the wand out. So I'm guessing it's about there, but I'm gonna put it back in and just mark it like where, how about I just mark it like right here, I think, because that's where the bottom of the windowing is, and there's like space like in here if I pull the thing out. I don't know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna mark it like right here for this month, and hopefully I can have more done by next update. But I want to complete this, so this is these 2 prompts, because you have to finish both. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while before I roll them out. Okay, so for 2A and B, I finished those in my last update, so you guys can watch my last update if you want to see what I finished for those. But the next one that I have in here that hasn't been done is for 4A. It's something orange. Last update I rolled in this Jeffree Star pricked palette. It was gifted to me by a friend here on YouTube, Faye Fletcher. I'll have her link down below. But my goal, so for something orange, was to use Vitamin C Word. I think that was the one. Yeah, Vitamin C Word 10 times, and I have used it 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. And then I also want to like get no pan left behind on this palette, so I did draw it here so I could check off the ones I've used. You can see that right here is Vitamin C Word. I've used it 3 times, and I've used a few others, and here it is, and it's my goal is 10 times. So hopefully soon I'll have that done. And then I'm like trying to move this over, and I'm like covering up the paper. Okay, for 4B, it's a sunscreen. I pulled in this Maya Solar sunscreen. It has SPF 50. I bought it in Cancun on one of our excursions. I think it was the one to Tulum. I can't remember, but this one, I don't know. I can see like stuff like here in the window, like there is like product all up in here, but I think I'm probably about right here. So I haven't made much progress. I have been going out walking, and I have been putting on sunscreen. I just, you know, this I think just takes a while. So I'm gonna mark it there. That's about where I'm at, and the goal is to use it up. For 5A, I picked red, or the prompt is red, an item with red packaging color or in the name. And so I picked out this Identity lipstick, and this is from ZC Palace, or no, this is the brand ZC, and it's a Palace Identity lipstick in Gilt Gold Dragon 05. It's a velvet lipstick. My goal is to use it 10 times. So far I've used it 5 times. Here is the color and how much I have left. It's super pretty, you guys. I love this lipstick. It's just so pretty. It's not too red. It's kind of like a little bit muted down. It's just perfect for like the summertime. So I need to use this 5 more times and it'll be out. And then for 5B, I have the Blood of Life. Oh, it's the prompt is the Blood of Life, something you cannot go without in your makeup or skincare routine. I had picked a black eyeliner, and it should be right here. I picked out the Illamasqua eyeliner. Now this one is on its last leg. If I use just the tip, nothing comes out. I have to use like the body of it and drag it to get eyeliner to come out. So I don't know what to do. Maybe I could trim the tip off and then just use the rest. So that way this part here doesn't interfere with me applying my makeup. I don't know. I feel like there's still a lot left though, but I love black eyeliner, especially liquid eyeliner, so this is something I cannot live without. And that is it for my update, you guys. I don't think I need to roll anything else in. I just needed to switch out the purple item because it's not going good on my eyes. But thank you so much for coming by and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Well, that's the same thing. Subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.